Hi, I'm back with you, and I've washed these guys, rinsed them off, and now I'm just about to give them a low blow dry. Okay. So there we are. We have degreased all the parts except the two aluminum or these two black parts. I just threw it in the water again. So we degreased it all. We washed it in soap, dishwashing liquid, and dishwashing soap and water. Rinsed it off in the clean water, and then a blow dry. Now it's going to be in oil, and rub the excess oil off, and assemble it. So without further ado, I'll just give this piece that I dropped in the water the numerator dial. I'll give it a little go. And while I'm at it, what the heck, why not? It only happens once every 50 or 60 years or whatever. But yeah, the 306 is a beautiful machine. I mean, I've got 4 of them. I guess I like them. Isn't that so? So look at that. I'm even still in the frame here. So now it's just a matter of a little bit of oil for everybody. And the only reason I ever wear gloves is to keep the oil off, but obviously I'm not concerned about that right now. And so, but I do make sure, you know, I plug the end with my finger, and then I get the oil right down there at the very far end where it's difficult to, and we'll just do that. And then for this spring, we'll do that. For this stud, we'll put some oil in the, look at that, went right through, cool. So that's a great way to oil this thing. Put my finger on the end. Oh yeah, it's nice and oily. And then the pin, I can actually just put him right in the stud and he'll get oily, but we gave him some oil anyway. This guy, this one, it has an interior element aspect that needs to be oiled well. The little set screw, I'll just give him a little dab, will do you right there. Same with the washer. That side of the, I don't know that they need oil in particular, but I'll just kind of rub them with my oily fingers. They're going to be wiped off anyway. These discs have to be cleaned off with, I have to get that oil off the discs. But it's just a matter of getting everything clean to a, you know, to a good level of a minimum clean, you know, not looking for minimum level, but looking for, you know, basic standards that are good. So I'm going to get another towel, shop towel, of which I have a few, and just wipe these off. And then I'm going to let them sit for probably the afternoon or whatever, and let them kind of, you know, dry and evaporate and get to be left alone for a bit. That set screw is going back in right now. It's done, it's clean, it's going in. Will that fit? There's my little mini screwdriver. And there's the set screw that I'm not going to drop. And that fits. So, oh, that's the set screw for here that goes in. Oh no, there is that. Is that where it goes? Yes, that's the set screw that goes in there. Ooh, that's going to be a Let me get in there with some oil here. I just want to make sure. And I know I got it, but, you know, it doesn't cost a whole lot to do a simple check, didn't it? So there's nothing coming off there. It's tidy. The gunk is gone. There. Sorry, I was out of camera range there. Sorry, guys and gals. So, and now this screw, and this screwdriver is magnetic, somewhat. So it can be handy. There, I've got it seated in the threads. So I'm putting the screw all the way in so that all the threads for sure get oiled. So good job, Jeb. And same thing with these guys. We're gonna get the residual, the excessive oil off them. They will still have to be, like I said, they'll still have to be dried and cleaned, but you know, it's looking really nice, isn't it? And I'm glad you guys do this to your machines too. Or maybe you're getting started doing this to your machines too. If you can do this stuff by, you know, yourself, you can save yourself a little bit of dineros. Anyway, I'm going to stop right there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, notify, and tell me what you're doing with your machines and your sewing. I'd love to hear. Ciao, amigos.